Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by verifying essentials so your data is accurate. First, confirm Analytics and Tag Manager are firing. This lets you measure conversions. Once done, choose a campaign goal that matches what you want: sales, leads, or traffic, because Google optimizes differently for each. Then set a realistic daily budget and geographic targeting. These control spend and audience. Make sure to create a conversion action now so every click can be evaluated against a tangible result. You'll now construct the campaign's engine: keywords, ads, and bids. Start by researching keywords and selecting match types. Add negatives to prevent wasted spend. Then build responsive search ads with varied headlines and descriptions so Google tests combinations and learns what converts. Once assets are ready, pick a bidding strategy aligned to your goal. Choose manual CPC for control or target CPA for automated efficiency. Finally, group keywords into tight ad groups so relevance stays high and quality score improves. You'll finish by launching and refining. After launch, monitor CTR, conversion rate, CPA, and quality score daily to spot problems quickly. Once you have data, run a/B tests on headlines, descriptions, and landing pages. Make incremental changes and pause underperforming ads. If results stall, troubleshoot systematically. Confirm conversion tracking and tags, ensure ads passed approval, check budget limits, and resolve keyword conflicts or broad match leakage. Finally, reallocate budget to top performers and repeat the optimization cycle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.